Good morning, students. Welcome back to your biology class. In this class, we will talk about the excretion. That is the final portion of the chapter, life processes. So, let's begin the class. Excretion is the elimination of metabolic waste products from the body. Waste products are unwanted and often toxic byproducts of metabolism. Example: urea, uric acid, ammonia, bile pigments, salts, etc. Excretory system is the system of organs and tissues that take part in separation, collection and voiding of waste products. Egestion is not excretion, as it involves the expulsion of only indigestible or leftover part of your food. Specific excretory organs are absent in case of unicellular organisms. Waste products such as ammonia, carbon dioxide generally pass out from the surface of the body into surrounding water by simple diffusion. For example, amoeba, paramecium. Contractile vacuole collects water and some waste materials from the body, swells up, reaches the surface and bursts to release the contents to the outside. So, this is the excretion in unicellular organism. Now, what about human being? In human beings, excretion mainly occurs through a urinary system. The system consists of organs that take part in separation, conduction, temporary storage and elimination of nitrogenous waste material as urine. It has a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Kidneys are a pair of reddish-brown, solid, bean-shaped structures which lie in the abdominal cavity attached to dorsal body wall. The size is 10 cm in length. Renal artery brings oxygenated blood laden with waste products, and renal vein carries the deoxygenated blood from which waste products have been removed. Ureters are a pair of whitish, narrow, muscular tubes of about 30 cm length. Each ureter arises from the kidney. It moves downwardly and opens into the urinary bladder. Ureters carry urine from the kidneys. Urinary bladder is a median pear-shaped sac that occurs in the pelvic part of the abdomen. It stores the urine. And urethra is the opening through which urines are released in the outside. Nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney, because each kidney contains millions of nephrons, and actually the blood purification or urine formation is functioned in the nephron. So nephron has two parts: the capsular part or the Malpighian corpuscle that is composed of the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, and the tubular part which is composed of the proximal convoluted tubule, the Henle's lobe, distal convoluted tubule and the collecting duct. The function of nephron is to produce the urine from the blood. Now, what about the hemodialysis? Kidney is a very important organ which is essential for maintaining the internal homeostasis. But if both the kidneys are damaged, a new compatible kidney has to be grafted. Till that period, waste products are removed with the help of hemodialysis or artificial kidney. It is based on the principle of dialysis or separation of smaller solutes or ions from larger particles with the help of an ultrafilter. The artificial kidney or dialysis machine consists of a number of semi-permeable cellophane tubes embedded in a tank of disalate or the dialyzing fluid. And what about the excretion in plant? Plants do not produce the nitrogenous waste like urea or uric acid because extra amino acids and nucleotides are not formed. They produce other types of waste product called secondary metabolites. For example, nitrogenous waste products like quinine, morphine, etc., organic acids like oxalic acid, tannins like complex aromatic compounds, latex, resins, gums, etc. And plants do not have any mechanism to collect, transport, and throw out their waste products. They have adopted varied strategies to protect their living cells from the waste products. Old leaves, old xylem, bark, central vacuole, root excretion, this all are the strategies or mechanism through which waste products are stored and released from the body when that particular part of the plant soon fall off. So this is the entire excretion and excretory system